So, you've taken a career break. That's one thing. But trying to jump back into the world of tech? Man, that can feel like a huge mountain to climb. Today, we're going to dig into a program that's designed to be a launchpad for that exact comeback, specifically for pros in the SAP world. It really is the big question, isn't it? Technology moves so fast. Your skills might feel a little rusty, and maybe your professional network has gone, well, a little quiet. So many talented people face this exact same hurdle. Where do you even start looking for a way back in? Well, today we're looking at one specific answer to that question. It's an initiative from a group called VishvaVidya, and it's designed to be exactly that, a bridge, a dedicated path right back into the world of SAP. Now, this isn't just another online course you can sign up for. It's a full-on return-to-work program, and the keywords here are structured and free. The whole point is to help you refresh and upgrade your skills before you even think about jumping back into a full-time job. Yet I think of it as the launch pad, not the final destination. Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. What are we talking about here? The program focuses specifically on SAP Materials Management, or MM, from a techno-functional angle. It's an in-person thing located in Banner, Pune. And you're looking at a 3-month commitment for the training, plus some real hands-on project work after that. All right, so you've heard what the program is all about. The next logical question is, who is this actually for? Is it for you? Let's break down the eligibility criteria, step by step. First things first, and this one's a biggie, your professional background. This program is looking for people who already have at least 3 years of hands-on experience in SAP MM. That way, everyone is starting from a really solid foundation. And here is the absolute key detail. This whole initiative is exclusively for professionals who are on a career break right now and are actively trying to get back into the workforce. It's not for recent grads, it's not for folks just looking to switch jobs, it is specifically for those making a professional comeback. Now, what about your degree? Well, the good news is they're pretty flexible here. They welcome applicants with all sorts of qualifications, from engineering degrees like a BE or BTech to business degrees like an MBA or BCom. At the end of the day, it's really your practical SAP experience that matters most. So, let's say you tick all the boxes. What's the payoff? What do you actually get from dedicating 3+ months to this? Let's really dig into the tangible benefits and what you can expect to walk away with. It really boils down to 4 key things. First, you get serious, up-to-date, in-depth training. Second, and this is so important, you get to apply all that knowledge on real-time projects. Third, you get access to mentors, actual industry experts. And finally, when you successfully complete the program, they provide job assistance to help you land that next role. Okay, this is super important because we need to be real about what this is and what it isn't. So, what it is, a training program, a career bridge, and it's completely free. What it isn't, a direct job offer, a paid internship, or a salaried position. There's no stipend. It's an investment of your time to get you 100% job ready. All right, so if this is sounding like it could be the right move for you and you're clear on the expectations, then the next part is all about action. How do you actually throw your hat in the ring? Let's walk through it. The great news is it's a really simple 3-step process. First, you just head over to their website, VishvaVidya.com. Second, you fill in your details, and this is really important, attach your updated resume. And third, you'll just write a short note explaining your experience and why you're so motivated to get your SAP career back on track. And hey, here's a little pro tip to make sure you land on the right page. Search for the job post with this exact title, Return to Work Opportunity, SAP Techno-Functional Consultant, MM. That should take you right where you need to go. All right, let's pull back for a second and look at the big picture here. When you put all these pieces together, the training, the mentorship, the real-world project work, what does it all really add up to? It's about so much more than just a course. It's about confidently kicking off the next chapter of your professional life. I think the way they describe themselves really hits the nail on the head. The goal is to reignite your career. It's all about refreshing your skills, making new connections with mentors, and taking a real, solid, supported step toward making your professional comeback happen. And that kind of leaves us with one last question for you to think about. If you've been on the sidelines wondering how to get back in the game, you've got to ask yourself, is something structured and supportive like this exactly what you need to unlock your comeback?